Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When adding text to a publication, it's quite common to accidentally type text incorrectly. You may swap the I and E in certain words, or forget a second R in a particular word, for example. One of the most common mistakes is the word the being spelled as TEH. Now, the AutoCorrect feature in Publisher recognizes some of these misspellings and automatically corrects them for you. The best part of AutoCorrect is that it's automatically enabled when you use Publisher. Another handy feature is that you can actually add your own words that you commonly misspell. Now, to see your AutoCorrect options, select Tools from the menu bar and then choose AutoCorrect Options. You can check the Correct to Initial Capitals checkbox to automatically correct mistakes when you accidentally hold the Shift key down a little too long. You can capitalize the first letter of sentences by checking that checkbox. You can capitalize the first letter of table cell content by checking that checkbox. You can also capitalize the names of days. You can check Correct Accidental Use of Caps Lock key to automatically correct the accidental use of caps lock. And in the Replace Text as You Type section, you can actually input your own misspellings, which you would type into the Replace box, and then in the With box you type the correct spelling. So if there are certain words or chains of letters that you do not want Publisher to automatically fix, then you can add them to the Exceptions list. To do this, click the Exceptions button. And here on the First Letter tab, you can actually add abbreviations after which you would not want Publisher to capitalize the first letter of the following word. Normally, a period followed by a space lets Publisher know the sentence is finished. This causes the first letter of the next word to be capitalized by the AutoCorrect feature. On the Initial Caps tab, you can add words that you don't want Publisher to change when you type them with more than one initial capital letter. For example, if your company's name was I Am Perfect, as in I am perfect, as opposed to imperfect, then you could add capital I, capital M, lowercase perfect to the list of spellings to not be corrected. Otherwise, it would want to correct that all the time. Now, you can also add words that you simply don't want Publisher to correct on the Other Corrections tab. So, for example, if your last name was Friend, you could add that into this list so Publisher would not want to change the spelling to friend. Now, to add a word of your own that you commonly misspell, simply type the word the way that you misspell it into the Replace field in the AutoCorrect tab. Click into the With box and then type the way that it should be spelled. Once you've done this, just click the Add button. If there are more words to add, you can just continue that process of clicking into the Replace box and typing the misspelling, and then typing the correct spelling in the With box and then clicking Add. Once you're done, just click the OK button to apply it. Also note that on the Auto Format As You Type tab of the AutoCorrect dialog box, you can change AutoCorrect features dealing with quotes, hyphens, and lists. Also, if you would like to disable the AutoCorrect feature entirely, you can deselect all the checkboxes in the AutoCorrect dialog box. Now, whenever you have your options set as you prefer, click the OK button to apply them.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.